Hey guys, Buddy Valastro here. It's summertime. I'm down at my beach house. I got a great tan and I've been inspired by sand art, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn that into a cake. And nobody likes to eat sand, so we're doing it with sugar, baby. So today we're using a sanding sugar. Sanding sugar is a coarser sugar. You can buy it colored, or you can just color white sugar. Just get some white coarse sanding sugar and color it to the desired color you want. What I did is I got a bunch of colors here. I'm gonna lay out my sugar. I'm only gonna lay it out the height of the cake. So my cake is probably about 5 inches, so I'm only gonna make some that's maybe about 7 inches wide. And I'm just gonna kinda, lay a line in there. The great thing about this is there's no right or wrong way on how you layer them. I mean, you just have fun with it. Do it with the familia. I love this. Put a little bit of green. And this is such a fun part for the kids to do. It's not exactly perfect. It's kind of like sand art. So now that we got our sugar all set up, next thing I'm gonna do is I had a cake that I froze. So I filled it, I dirty iced it, and I froze it so it's nice and stable and I can handle it. I'm going to take some buttercream and just put a little bit of a smear. If I didn't add this little bit of buttercream, the sugar wouldn't stick. But if the cake wasn't stiff, it would be very hard for me to roll into the sugar. It's time to roll this baby into the sugar. Pick up my cake here. And this is why you need it frozen, so that I can handle it. So I'm gonna start in the back here, and I'm gonna kinda, boom. Look at that, huh? I kinda had some fun with it. Now I'm just gonna smooth out my top again, and I'm just going to add a little bit more sugar on top. So I'm gonna add some yellow. You could complete the pattern that you did. You can make a new pattern on top. There's really no right or wrong to this. Now that I got that all done, I'm gonna just shake it around, mix it up, and there you have it, a sand art cake. It's fun, it's easy, beginners could do it. You can do any type of design. I mean, you could do polka dots, stripes, you could do wavy patterns, ombre. I don't know about you, but me and my kids are definitely doing this down the shore this summer. And of course, inside, rainbow cake, baby. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Leave some comments. Tell me if you like this cake, or show me what you guys did. We'll see you next time. Take care. Oh, good.